Welcome back, everyone. It's Irene from Rainy Rocks. Today I'm going to show you how I make some coasters. Simple, I don't know, it looks like an orange peel technique. But anyways, I thought they're pretty cool, so I'm going to show you guys how I make them. For the centers, I decided I'm just going to keep it somewhat simple. I have some rose gold chunky glitter, some gold chunky glitter, and some little silver balls. So I've mixed that all up, and I have already mixed up my resin. So I have 300 mils for the 4 coasters, and there it is. And you can see it's pretty thick because I don't want it to move. And today I'm actually going to go out of my comfort zone and use a color I haven't used before, and that's red wine by Meyspring. So I've mixed that up as well. We only need a little bit. It's pretty nice. I'm very nervous about using this color, just like I said, because I always do blues and purples and that sort of thing. So we'll see how that goes. And here I've mixed up some Castin'craft, some Pinata color or alcohol ink, and with a little bit of the folk art vintage white, because I didn't want there to be too much of a contrast between the white and the red wine. So this one kind of gave it like a, it has more of a yellow, warm tone to it. So we'll see how that goes. Now for the paint, it was just literally a squirt and about quite a bit of the Castin'craft and about 4 drops of the alcohol ink. And when you mix it up, you want to make sure that it's pretty opaque. I don't even count anymore. I just kind of go by how the pigment looks. If it looks too translucent, add some more Castin'craft or paint or whatever it is that you're adding. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, here we're just gonna pour in a little, actually nope, sorry, my bad. I'm going to add a dollop of the glitter in the center of each coaster. Just like that. All right. I think it'll look nice with the red wine. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. I'll leave it just a little bit. No, should be fine. We'll just use it all up. I didn't mix too much. Let's see, a little bit here. And there. And right there. Okay. So that part's done. So now, let me just zap this up with a little bit of heat. Get the, oops, I guess it would help to turn it on. Pop some bubbles. There we go. It's a pretty color. Put that there. Now we're just going to, I'm just going to pour a thin line around each coaster. Ooh, pretty. I'm actually kind of digging this color. All right, and it looks like I mixed just the right amount too. You know, and the more experienced you get with your resin, you don't even, you stop count or measuring. You just kind of, I don't, at least for me, I can just kind of gauge by sight now how much resin I'm going to need for a certain step. All right, there you go. Very pretty. I'm really liking this. Okay, so now, so I said I had mixed up 300 mils. So I have 150 left in here. So I have used 150 so far. So what we're going to do with the remainder of this 150 mils of resin, and we're just going to flood these. I'm going to make sure not to pour right in the middle. Otherwise you'll spread your glitter. And there we go. Let's just get someone in each one first, and then because you want to be able to flood these all the way to the back of the coaster. Hopefully I have enough. Come on. It's looking good. Scoop this out. All right. And the reason why you want to flood the coaster all the way to the edge of, flood the coaster all the way to the edge is because that way it'll help your mica move forward. If you don't, it just won't do it. Okay. So now we're going to take the white here. Oops. Pop some bubbles. Pop these guys too. I see some big bubbles here. Okay, let me just go grab a stick here. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's just bring it up here quickly. There we go. This one has a lot. Darn bubbles. Come on now. There you go. Okay. They're rising to the top anyways. Okay, here we are. Now we're just going to pour this around. Oops. Okay, there we have it. I might just use this all up. Oops. Alrighty, guys. And that's it. Literally, that is all. Just gonna zap these a little bit more. I'm not even gonna use a heat gun. Just gonna let them be and see. I'm actually gonna leave it running to see if yeah, let's leave the camera running. And that way later on I can watch the movement and how it, hopefully it turns out. I honestly don't know. You can never tell sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna give these a quick zap, and that is that. Okay, see you guys in a bit. We're back. So these have now dried. So when you saw in the time lapse there, this one did exactly what I wanted it to do. This one, not so much. It didn't go all the way in towards the center. This one, again, not. I don't know what happened with these two. Maybe I didn't put enough of the clear, but that's okay. When we're going to see what they look like on the underside. So we'll start off with this one. Color though, and there you go. So I think I said orange peel, not orange peel. It's kind of looks like a fruit in the middle, you know, like the striations of a grapefruit, I suppose. Now I see here I have these little white specks, and I'm not sure where that's from, what that's from. I mean, obviously it's from the white, but oh well, we're just going to pretend that they're supposed to be there. We'll do this one next. These turned out very pretty. Again, I have the little white specks. And here I got a little heavy-handed with the cream color, and that's fine. There you go. I like it. I actually like this color a lot. Obviously the color's been, it's not true because I added the cream, but I think they're very pretty. Okay, and last but not least, this one. There you go. So all in all, these turned out great. I actually want to show you guys a tool that I recently got. See if I find where I put it. Oh, where are you? Where is it? Okay. Where did I put this thing? Huh. What? Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. Oops. Watch my camera action there. So I got this for the coasters. It's called a Deburring Tool kit. And it comes with blades. So you know how you get the rough edges? Instead of sanding, what I do now is I just, see, the one thing is I got to figure out how it stops twisting on me. But you just kind of go like this, and it takes away the sharp edges without having the need to sand. I love it. It's great. Yeah. Another tool to the arsenal kit. Okay, so what I'm going to do with these coasters, I'm going to trim them in with the Deco Color Premium Gold. And there you have it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye now.